study English! Yay!
Do you like drawing a picture? I like drawing. Drawing can also be used to plan something. For example, maybe if you're an architect, a designer, you draw a picture sometimes on a drawing board. That's where you plan your design or what you're going to do. So, what does the expression mean, back to the drawing board? Back to the drawing board? This back to the drawing board? No. Back to the drawing board means that you need to go back and do more planning because maybe your idea or whatever you planned didn't quite work. For example, this project isn't going as planned, so let's get back to the drawing board and fix what's going wrong. How about you? Do you need to get back to the drawing board and study more English? Okay, like today with me, subscribe, keep learning, and you will be speaking fluent English very soon. Thank you. Bye.
スーザンと一緒に Let's study English! Yay!